Do you want to add a WPForms form to your Elementor page without touching a single line of code? Learn the exact clicks to embed a working form in under 2 minutes. We'll open the projects page in Elementor, locate the WPForms widget, set its title and form, then update the page to see it live. Go ahead and open your projects page, then edit it with Elementor to launch the builder. Now, click on the highlighted element on the canvas to select it before we add the form. In the Elementor panel, click the WordPress icon to open the widget list. Then, click on the WordPress block from the list to insert it into your layout. From there, choose WPForms as the specific widget you want to add. Click on the title field to select it. Then, click on the Form dropdown to pick the form you want. Finally, toggle on Display Form Name. Click Update Changes to Page to save all your changes. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.